Respected students, welcome back everyone. So today we are having Amrita Musale, who has got the job as a fresher, and we will have a podcast. Few days back only, I guess like 2 3 days back, I have posted that on our channel, and I have said that I will come with podcast because uh, we had like one or two calls, and I know her journey. Sorry. So like more than a year, she was trying for a Power BI job, and finally she has got the job with I guess a core LPA na, with a
Yes.
very good company. So first of all, Amrita, welcome to our channel.
Yes, thank you so much, Vinayak, for inviting me on this podcast. It's my pleasure to be here.
Yeah, thank you. So, can you please introduce yourself in short or tell me about whole your journey? Everything? And you even you can include hobbies also.
Yes, sure, definitely. So, my name is Amrita. I am from Satara and I have completed my master's in electronics in year 2020. And from that, I have worked around 2 years in a non-tech field, like in a customer support also, or in one of the manufacturing company as a MIS analyst. And after that, I decided to switch my career in the field of data analytics. So from then, from March 2023, I have prepared for the Power BI or data analytics role, and in recently I got the opportunity as a junior Power BI developer. So that's all about myself. Yeah.
Said that you have completed with masters and then after you have done job in customer executive also. So can you tell
Yeah.
me what made you to come into data field or data analytics especially, and why you choose Power BI?
Yes. So when I was working as a in customer support role, so in that role, we have connected the data of different customers from different locations. So that while working on that position, I got to know about like how we collect the data, and like how companies can utilize this data for taking the decisions for their business growth. So I'm curious about that, and then while working on that, also I got to know about the Power BI and data analytics field, which is booming right now. So like I decided to start my career in the field of data analytics based on that.
Let me highlight one thing that to all our viewers also. When my career started in end of 2019, that time I was doing digital marketing only. And when I was using Google Analytics tool, then also that time we were using PyChat and all those things to do Google Analytics, the number of viewers on website and posted. So that also made me attracted to data analytics field, same like you when you were getting data.
Yeah. Yes.
So that
Right.
was the main reason. Okay, correct. So you have completed masters and then customer executive Power BI. So why do you choose Power BI, not ClickSense or Tableau or anything, okay, or SQL? Or you use
Yes.
Power BI only? Like me? Why?
Uh, Yes, yes. Actually, at initial phase, like I just know about the Power BI itself. I didn't know about the other like data visualization tools, and the Power BI is tool is whichever person is can use it for data visualization part, and like getting the insights from that data and help the business to grow. So I decided to go with the Power BI, and it is like easy. We can learn it easily, so that I decided to go with Power BI.
And we have used MS Excel in our school college days. So when we start learning Power BI, it is quite easier to learn. So
Yeah. Yes.
joined or study material or any YouTube other another YouTube channel or anything. How did you started learning Power BI and SQL? And please highlight SQL part also because SQL is also quite important while having a Power BI development.
Yes, sure. So mostly I have utilized like I didn't like join any course. Like I have learned Power BI and SQL by myself only by using some video like YouTube videos and some channels I have preferred to learn. And then also I took some Udemy courses like Marvin Analytics Business Intelligence course for Power BI, and for SQL I have utilized same resources and certifications. And then I have utilized some Solutions Abroad is one of the channel which I used to learn like Power BI. And for SQL, I have used Tech TFQ channel and Ankit Bansal's YouTube channel. And apart from that, also I have referred your channel also, Indian Paradise Trainer, for getting the interview questions, what kind of questions asked in the interview for Power BI itself. And also I have used one channel, Learn with Gig, which is run by Shashank Singh. So he is giving scenario based questions which are asked in the interview. So yeah, these are the sources I have utilized.
Okay, so mostly saying that you have not joined any institute, completely
No.
self-learning you have done.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
while self-learning, you have used like 4 to 5 channels. You have named that, and for SQL also
Yes.
you have named. So whenever I'm having conversation with subscribers or our students, like I tell that whenever you are watching any YouTube video, make notes and try to do it practically also. So apart from these
Yes.
two, have you done anything new?
Yes, like I have referred those videos for learning purpose, and then I have used some guided projects to create Power BI reports, and also I have used some channels to run SQL queries. How can we extract the data? To learn those things, I have used those channel, and then I have implemented by it myself. I have participated in different data challenges which are run on LinkedIn itself, like Onyx Data Challenge, Code Basics Resume Project Challenge, FP20 Challenge. So I have utilized these challenges to gain hands-on experience and to create multiple Power BI projects. So that helps me to understand how Power BI works, how can we utilize DAX to perform a calculation in a report, and also how can we use different visuals to showcase the data and the performance of the particular business. So yeah, these things I have done while my learning.
Okay, got it. So let me highlight one thing to our viewers also. We both are connected on LinkedIn and like more than a year. And the thing what I've observed in her is that she's having the willpower and dedication. Very nice because she was even posting the useful content on LinkedIn also continuously. Even I used to like that comment there. You were also tagging me there. So continuously, whenever you are looking for a job, LinkedIn must be your best friend. I'm not saying you should use it, must be compulsory because you will get continuously interview questions or good content or even quiz people ask there or the way she participated in all those quiz and all those things. So that is also very important. LinkedIn must be your best friend. So now coming to our third question, how did you reach the recruiters or Naukri, LinkedIn or referral or anything what you have used and which has helped you?
So yes. So initially, I'm not that much aware about like how LinkedIn works, and we can send cold emails or messages to the recruiters. So I just randomly connect with people to check whether there is hiring for in their organization for Power BI role or data analyst role. But that time I didn't get that much response from those people. But then after I have utilized Indeed, Naukri for job searching, and then I got a response from Indeed itself, but not that much for like Power BI roles or data analytics role or Naukri, which is I didn't Naukri that much help to me because it's for freshers or like experienced person, I think. So I started to reach out the people in which are working on the Power BI as a Power BI developer or as a data analyst in the companies, and I tried to send them a cold messages to is there any vacancy in their organization, and if there is any, then can you please refer me? And I had shared my resume with them. So I tried to 50 around 30 to 50 people in a day, but I got response from only two or three people. They shared the mail of that concerned people, or tell them to share the resume with them as well. So yeah, this thing I have followed.
So from her personal experience, she is saying that Naukri hasn't helped her a lot when it comes to fresher. but Indra
Yes.
has helped and she has even messaged more than 30 people daily. Okay, and what about
Yeah.
referrals? The company.
So yeah, like actually, this current job I got this job by referral. One of my friend referred me for this role.
Current this as a fresher, you got job as a referral, and you are saying
Yes.
that Indeed has helped you a lot. Naukri has not helped you. Okay.
No.
Naukri for experience. I think this is correct because just 3 months ago, when uh, I was looking for a change, I was having total 5 years for 5 years experience and 4+ into BI. In 1.5 months, I have given more than 20 plus interviews also. So I guess yeah, somewhere you are also correct that Naukri helps who is having more than 2+, 3+, or 4+
Yeah. Right. Yes.
for freshers also it was helping. Even in 2020, 21, 22 also
Yeah.
helped them,
That
but
time.
right now it's
Yes.
not helping them. Yeah, the
No.
current algorithm is
For that you have to be active on LinkedIn, and you have to build your online credibility. You have to create your portfolio. That part you have to
yeah. Next
do.
question is for that only. So for
Yeah.
freshers, LinkedIn is also helping. So next question is that have you created any person like GitHub, Linktree, or any account? And how many projects you have made? And in that project, what was data source? Or how many pages report you have created and how did you share? You can explain as much as time you take. This is the most important question, of course.
Yes. So I have built my portfolio and on Linktree itself, and also I have used GitHub for sharing my SQL project on there. And previously, I have shared my projects on Novi Pro, which is free version that time, but now they are providing premium services. But that time, yeah, I did some projects by using the data sets from the that data challenges which are run through on LinkedIn itself. So I have created that project and I have shared on that Novi Pro, and then I have shared to create one Linktree website, and then I have added all that GitHub and Novi Pro's link on there. So that helps me to create my portfolio. And regarding my projects, I have used some different data sources like SQL Server, Excel, and CSV files. Like I have learn to connect the data sources from YouTube itself. How can we connect different data sources to Power BI? And it is hard to when you have to connect the SQL server with Power BI. I don't know about that, so I YouTube on with the help of YouTube, I have learned it. So this is the all process I have followed throughout, when I have to create a portfolio of my projects. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Rather than Excel or CSV file as a data source, you have mostly focused on SQL. And when you are
Yes.
focusing mostly on SQL, then in real time, if you are going and working, then easily you can fetch data via Snowflake also, Azure Databricks also, because there also there is
Yeah.
no limit. So that's really
Okay.
great thing. And can you name things like domains of the project, like data was related to finance, insurance, health, what domain you have?
Yes, like I have created a related report, a real estate related report, or also in a sport businesses also. I have created one of the report, and also related to hotel industry, and regarding retail businesses, or marketing, related to marketing domain, how it works. So these are the domains I have choose to create a report on.
Okay. Okay. So again, I'm repeating one question that what things we should do to come in focus to the recruiters.
So yeah, as I said earlier, like you have to be active on LinkedIn, and you have to share your learning regarding Power BI, Advanced Excel, or SQL. You have to share on that LinkedIn so that they more people can connect with you, and also recruiter prefers more LinkedIn profiles of the candidates to search them. And that's why LinkedIn plays an important role while your job searching journey. So you have to be active on LinkedIn, connect with recruiters, connect with the working peoples who are actually doing a job in the field of data.
Okay, I just want to ask one question. Like 4, 5 years back when we were looking at a fresher, right? So even for data analytics, I'm asking. What people do is that people learn, candidates learn Power BI, then even they learn
Okay.
SQL, but MS Office, which is there, completely PowerPoint or MS Excel, which is there, or Word or anything, they ignore Excel very much. So Excel is also
Yes.
quite important now. So for us,
Yes. Yes.
it is important as a fresher. I know.
Yes, yes. Like most of the companies asking about like advanced Excel part, it plays important role. Like in data analytics, Excel can't be replaced. Like before learn Power BI, you if you know about the Excel, then it will easy to learn Power BI.
Definitely. And currently,
Yes.
in real time work also, let me highlight. I have even worked with the clients for finance, insurance, I would say political domain also from Singapore, Malaysia, or from US, UK, every client I work. Each and every client, whether it is Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, anything, especially for Power BI, they want the functionality of export to Excel and everything. They want
Yes.
ETL.
Yeah. Right.
Excel is quite important for experience. It is important for fresher. Currently, I don't know, so I directly asked her only, and as she has told that even Excel is important today as a fresher also. So please don't ignore. We are not saying that learn Excel like Power BI advanced, advanced, but at least basic you should know pivot on pivot and look at and all those things.
Yes.
So that is
Mostly lookup formulas will be there. They are important, like we lookup, index match, H lookup, and like if functions we are using that things. Pivot table is also most important part in
quite
Excel.
important when it comes to data validation. And mostly for
Yes, right.
projects, matrix usually is used where aggregations
Mm.
and those things are there. So where we want to check and summarize view also in real time.
Yeah, right,
You also
right.
can.
Yeah.
My next question is what type of questions were asked to you as a fresher? Power BI question. Can you name 4 5 questions of Power BI recipe?
Yes, sure. So, in Power BI part, I have asked like what is the difference between calculated columns or measures, and then what is append and merge queries in Power BI, and what is Power Query, and how can we clean the data in Power BI or Power Query, and then do you know about the RLS and what is the DAX function we can use in while implementing RLS? So these are the few questions which I have asked to the interview.
Uh, and what about SQL questions which were asked to you by the panelists?
Mostly there was a like scenario based question regarding joins and they called me to write a query for second highest salary of the employees. So this is the one of the SQL question they asked, and like apart from that, they are asking about the like some of the theoretical part about joins and like how to like which statement we have used to extract the data, that kind of thing.
Okay. And one more question. What, as a fresher from Power BI service, what they have asked?
In Power BI service, they asked me to what are the license we can use in Power BI service, and also how can we publish the report on Power BI service. These
So
two
Power
questions they
BI,
have asked.
they might have not asked, they might have not focused much on Power BI service. They were focusing more on Power BI desktop and Power Query only, right?
Yes, right, right.
Just
They
they
just
just
wanted to
wanted to,
know.
they just wanted
Yeah,
to know that whether you are familiar with Power BI service or not.
Power
Because
or
few
not. Yeah.
years back also they were doing like this only. Some they were to that time, so they were not asking Power BI service only. But right now they are.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
So, while having interviews for a fresher also, have they sent you any practical files, assessment files along with questions? The way they do
No,
in Excel.
yeah, yeah. For this role, I didn't do any assignment kind of thing. But in my previous interviews, I have created multiple assignments regarding like they provided me data set and told me to perform a data analysis on this and present the data to the interviewer, like what analysis you did in this report by using this report. But in this
Yes,
yes. Yeah, but in this interview, I had did some like technical interviews also. There is no assignment part in this.
Where the company which you have joined, there no practical assignment was sent, but for earlier interviews, they have sent you. So for this
Yes,
company, how many rounds of interviews they have taken? Technical rounds, so not HR rounds.
for this role. Are you asking? So there was two rounds, two technical rounds will be there, and they are based on only Power BI and SQL part.
Okay, so two
And
technical rounds were taken. Let's of 30 minutes and with one panelist.
yes, yes, right.
Okay. Can you tell me about final HR round? When you have cracked these two rounds, when final HR round was there, what discussion happened and all those things? Are only of salary and work culture.
Yes, so the HR, like I initially I told them the salary which I expect, and they are ready to go with that. And after that, they informed me like about like how earlier you can join. Like I am an immediate joiner because I'm looking actively for the jobs. That's why I told them I'm an immediate joiner. And then they sent me an offer letter, and after that I joined there.
So 2 days back you have joined. How was your first day? And
Yeah, it was good. Actually, on the first day itself, the onboarding process got completed, and then I have connected with my teammates and like the different teams, and they told me the work about the company and the work culture, and the induction round will be there. So yeah, it was a good experience. Like it is my first job in the data, so I'm really excited about this.
great, great. All the best. And
Thank
as
you
I have
so
told you, again, I'm telling to viewers also, when you join the new job, whether it is fresher or experience, also try to get as much as possible KP. If the KP sessions are available in your company, try to take how much it is possible, like 2 weeks, 1 month, and try to get documents also, earlier documents. When the project was started, there are many documents created from the company, like Excel documents, Word documents, PDF, and all those things like that. Try to get it to understand the data architecture, the KPIs, what visuals we have used. Even we ask many questions to the client at the start of the project before signing SOW and MSA. So that time many questions, many workshop and all those things are there. Try to get that recording so that each and everything properly you will understand. Like even in your PI project, whether 4 or 5 calendar is used or fiscal year or normal calendar is used, you will understand modeling and everything, data source, whether banks, all things clarity you will get. So whenever you are joining any company as a fresher or as experience, try to, if the kit is available in the company, try to get it as much as possible along with the documents of this. So that is one highlighter. And next question is, what was the biggest challenge you faced during the job search process?
Yes, it's like the major challenge I faced, which is a resume shortlisting. Like initially, I don't know about the ATS friendly resume, and you have to add your project, but you have to quantify the impact of your project. Like how can we help the business to overcome the challenges they are facing in their business. So for that, I have for I have extract like what I do. I have extracted the keywords from the JD from the job description, and then I have put it on ChatGPT, and then they extract that the keywords, and I put it into my uh, project description. And then I have also quantified the impact which I through which I performed in my data analysis. And then mostly I try to make a ATS friendly resume, because when we are trying to apply for the job, the resume shortlisting is the major part, which is like facing most of the candidates. That's why I followed this process only.
So whenever I make resume, I follow the, I build on that flowcv.com. So any other website you have used apart from that?
No, actually, I have used Word itself to create my resume. Yes, and for checking the ATS score, I have used Resume Worded website.
Okay, okay. So resume is the most important thing, what you are telling. Correct, definitely it
Yes.
is the most important thing, and you should highlight all the things in that resume, especially project. and your
Yes.
certifications and your summary what you have learned, skills and all those things. And
Yes.
please add even portfolio also and LinkedIn ID there. So these are the
Right. Right. Yes.
things. Then we have covered, I guess, how did you prepare for interview? You said that. But if you want to add
Yeah.
anything like, did you prepare for interview? Like, means it's tomorrow interview is there, and what today you have done.
Like you just have to revise the things like which have learned about the project and other things. Mostly focus on project, like how can we explain the projects to the interviewer, and then try to revise the basic concepts of regarding Power BI and Excel and SQL. So these are the things you have to keep in mind while giving the interview.
Okay. Yes. So, see, I will also highlight one thing. Let's say that if tomorrow my interview is there, na, so I'm having two, three notebooks where I have written all the notes or the learnings which I have got from my companies or projects. So I go through that once, and before interview 1 hour, I do revision of see the DAXs, what I have used.
Yes.
Word document, I have documented all those 150 to 100 DAX till now which I have used, and even SQL queries and all those things. So that just if they ask me practically, so I can write properly without error. What happened that we can write 70-80% proper text, but bracket and all those things remain.
Yes, yes, we missed that.
Just
Yeah.
before 1 hour and before 1 day, whatever my notebooks are there, that I go through all the notes and regarding the practical work and all those things, so that to directly I tell freely in the interview because no need to memorize all those things. Completely, it should come from your bottom of the heart because you have worked on those things. Like
Yeah, definitely.
this is my strategy what I do. Uh, so what role did internship projects that you have covered? Okay. So how many interviews you have given?
Like I have around 20 plus interview given. Yeah, like it's all about like mixed roles like MIS executive, or mostly I have given interview for MIS executive role because I have applied that job role as well. But for data analyst role I have just given three interviews. Like for Power BI based role, was two interview I have given, and plus data analyst, for data analyst I have given one interview. But other than that, there was mixed part like MIS, business analyst, or data analyst, or Power BI, like that.
So can you tell to our viewers in short what is MI analyst? MIS analyst.
Uh, s- yes, so MIS analyst is the basically role which is like management information system. So in this role, we have particularly we are using the like advanced Excel, or some companies also used SQL or Power BI in the same role. So I tried to apply it for those that roles also because they are using same tech stack in some of the companies. So yeah, this is all about the like MIS analyst role, and we have to also we have to create a report to like present the stakeholder or the company management using advanced Excel or Power BI.
Okay, so for MIS analyst also you can use Power BI.
Yes, yes, it's based on the company requirement. Yeah.
The company it is using Power BI, then for MIS analyst also you can use Power BI to that. Okay. So can you tell me from the those 20 interviews, those were related to Power BI. Let's remove that advanced Excel. From the 20 interviews, even for MIS analyst, if Power BI was there, then how many interviews were there? How many separate? 10 plus.
Uh, no, it's around 4 to 5 interviews I have given regarding Power BI.
From that MIS analyst.
Yes,
So these four plus those three different, so total seven.
yes,
Power BI.
yes,
So from that
yes.
Power BI interviews, how many companies first technical round you cracked?
Like almost all companies technical round I have got cleared.
Okay, okay, great, great, great. And the second technical round,
Yes, like in some part I have lose the interview because of like some tax part or some like technical like project issues will be there. So that's why I got rejected in the interviews. But in two interviews, I got cleared whole process. Like I got the offer.
Okay, so let's say that as you have highlighted, all companies first technical round you cracked from those seven companies. So that is really
Yes.
and if you are cracking the first technical round, that is all. That shows that your basic is very clear and you are somewhere your knowledge is somewhat intermediate level. So that is very good thing. And when second technical rounds, some of the companies you cracked, for some of the you got rejected. You said that DAX was the problem. So how did you overcome the DAX? How did you
Yes, so in my projects I have utilized more DAX part. Like when we can, I checked like when we can implement the DAX, and also I have practiced more in my meantime by use like by referring the different YouTube channels. With like mostly I have preferred the Learn with Geeks channel for learning the DAX part. Like he shared lot of DAX scenario based questions, so I have learned from that. And also analytics with Nag is one of the channels, so I have also preferred that.
and
Yeah.
our last two questions are there. So, what surprised you the most about the job you landed compared to other expectations? Even I can answer this thing. As you said that you have got 4 LPA with remote job, no? So that is really
Yeah.
very good thing. We are looking for like more than a year, and
Yeah.
you have got that. Because remote job
Yes.
you are getting, that is really very good thing. Can you tell?
Yes. Like actually, like I'm looking for 1.5 year for the Power BI role, but like I'm ready to relocate anywhere in India. Like just I want a job. But the unexpected thing is that I got a remote opportunity. So this is very surprising thing for me actually.
Yeah, and that too not 3 LPA, because the reason why company gives 3 LPA, because when they give 3 LPA now, this big giant company, that somewhere it
Okay.
helps in that tax reduction, all those things for their company. So you have got
Okay.
remote job that to with 4 LPA also, and try to even learn real time things, because that is
Yes,
there.
definitely.
And my last question is that what advice you will give to other freshers or the guys who has done internship or training, or those who are having only 1 year of experience to get the job. What one thing you have told that resume is the most important thing. I will highlight what you have told. Resume is most important thing. Second, that Naukri has not helped you a lot. Whether where LinkedIn has helped and Indeed has also helped, and YouTube has also helped you. Third thing, for that, you have also done so much of practical things, like you have created portfolio, you
Portfolio.
have created many projects that are inserted there. Fifth, you told that you were messaging daily 30 messages to recruiters or HR or manager, whatever things you have done. So these 5 things you have told me. Apart from this, if anything is there, or even in these 5 things, if you want to highlight anything, please highlight.
Yes, sure. So mostly you have to focus on your resume part, and then try to create a portfolio and make unguided projects to gain an hands-on experience on the data. And after that, like don't give up on the things, because initially we got rejected from the companies. Like we don't have that much knowledge and don't know about like how to prepare for the interviews. So don't give up on that things. Just try to understand why we are like rejecting in the interviews, and then try to get the answers of those questions which are asked in the interviews, and then like prepare based on that. And then after we have to be consistent in the throughout the journey. Like if you like lose hope, or then like you don't keep consistent throughout the journey, then it will be like break your motivation, and like you can't do anything in your career. So I will say that please keep consistent and stay resilient. This is the only message I will
What I
give.
would definitely use for you, willpower and dedication. That was really great in your journey. And one more question I'm having, as we all are Indians, so I'm having that. How did you adjusted, or how did you face the family pressure, relative pressure? And one more thing is that when your friends were getting job and you were unemployed, these two things, how did you manage? That is very important.
Yes. Actually, I got frustrated a lot in the initial phase of the like job hunting journey. Then like I have connected my with my friends like how can I overcome with this. So like lot of LinkedIn people help me to like overcome from this. Like how can we do the thing differently? I asked them about the feedback, included you, and then. It helps me a lot like there is a family pressure but at the end they also know like this is a like these things take time like I'm switching my job in from one of the field and to another, so it's take lot of effort and patience. So he also they also helped me to like keep motivated and keep like they like pushing me to for do the things more better way.
Okay, great. And do you believe God or how God has helped you? So let me tell you one thing that whenever I'm little bit demotivated, I go in temple and just sit there. That is my
Yeah.
motivation. Or in on social media, there are some YouTubers like Sandeep Maheshwar is there. I don't watch regularly videos, but in 3 4 months in one quarter, this thing I do that. Go in temple, big temple. I'm saying not this normal big temples. Go sit there and watch some online techniques. So what have you followed related to religion?
Yes, like initially I'm not that much believing on God. Like then, like when it at one point I thought like I'm going to depression now. So that time I decided to like I followed to some different mantras and listening that chanting and that thing, and also I followed some meditation part and like doing some exercises on daily basis which helps me to stay positive or stay motivated on the whole day. So like and after some time I believed on God. Like I just try like I am giving my efforts, then just I need a support from you only. So it will help a lot through this journey. Like now I am like I can say I am believing on God, and God will be there when you are really putting your efforts in your like to achieve your goals.
Definitely. See, even I'm also not regularly go to temple and all those things. But sometimes you need the help of God also, and your idols also. In my case, whenever I feel little demotivated, my idols are like we can say Shivaji Maharaj is there, Baba Sahib Ambedkar is there, Savitri Bai Phule is there. Then Sachin, I like Sachin Tendulkar, also Bhagat Singh, and all those things. Mahatma Gandhi. From them also you can learn. And on social media, on online content, so much
Yeah.
so many things are there related to it, and it really helps. Let me tell you, whether you are fresher for fresher, at least fresher should do, because when you are switching job at the experience, in my case, in just 1 month I have switched 2 3 times. But for experience also, there are many experienced people who are looking for like 4 5 months also for fresher also. See, so the family support, God, and the idols, which I told like Sachin Tendulkar, these three people will directly, indirectly help you a lot. People actually
Yeah, definitely.
it will really help.
Yes, I completely agree with you. And also one more thing I have to add here, like, your situation is your biggest motivation. Like, you have, if you have to escape from that now, so you can do anything, in with whatever in your hand.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Never know how strong you are when being strong is the only option.
Yeah, yeah,
One
right.
more point is that
Thank
difficulty in life doesn't come to destroy you. You have hidden potential power.
you. Yeah.
But difficulty also know that you too are difficult. It is
Yeah, right.
good.
Definitely.
So, Amrita, anything is missing you want to add? Because all my questions are.
Uh, no, I think I got like every answer of your questions, like how to prepare and what the resources you can use, and like how to focus on your goal and be consistent throughout the journey. So these are all are the points which I want to tell you, like every candidate who is looking for a job in the current market or in the field of data analytics.
Correctly. Amrita, it was very great to have a conversation with you. The most important thing about you was that, again, I'm highlighting more than a year you were looking job. I have read that one survey on Interest that more than 67% people or candidates lose this thing. And they are looking job for more than a year, but you are looking more than a year, try to hunt everywhere. And two words again I am repeating: willpower and dedication. The best example is Amrita of me. So it was really great conversation. You have total around 18-20% I have asked. You have answered all the questions answered properly, and thanks for joining. And all the best for
Yes.
your career. And
Yes,
apart from Power BI SQL, also you should learn Azure Databricks.
definitely.
Snowflake is very important, same as SQL, Azure Databricks also, and if possible, Power Apps in future in 2026-27.
Yeah, definitely. I will like focus more on learning part other than Power BI and SQL.
Linktree
Definitely.
Account also, if possible, have you given up?
Yeah, sure. No, I'm preparing for that right now.
Definitely, then you can that can give that exam till end of year or
Yes.
first quarter.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I will. Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me. It was nice to meeting you. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.